Today's video is in collaboration with Temu. I could pick some items from their website and I'm gonna show you kind of like an unboxing and try on in today's video. I've selected a lot of cool items and I can't wait to show you. Now I do have a special discount code for today's video. I will put all the information in the screen right here. You can select 3 to 8 items on your qualifying order, and it needs to be your first order on Temu. So it's basically a free gift for you guys. So I will put all the information here, like I said, also in the description. You can find all the information and we're just gonna dive right into the video. Now the first thing I want to show you is that I picked some eyeshadow palettes, and one of these palettes I will be using at the end of today's video. I will show you the palettes and swatch some of these shades, but they actually look really good. And there's this one palette which looks, it's just my favorite. It's this one right here. So I will be doing a eye look with this palette at the end of the video, so definitely keep watching if you want to see that. So the first item I'm going to show you is this neutral palette, which has a lot of matte shades and 2 shimmers. I love that it goes from really light to super dark, so you can create like a really nice transition when you blend all these shades into your crease. Now I swatched both of the shimmery shades and some of the mattes. I haven't used it on my eyes yet, but I think this would be like the perfect like everyday soft look for those who are not really into dramatic makeup looks. The next one we have this one, which I am obsessed with, can't wait to use it. It has 4 super shimmery colors and the pigmentation is surprisingly really good. You can just see by the swatches on my finger that it has really nice color payoff. And again, this is a really beautiful palette for every day. You can just wear it kind of like a little bit, but you can also do like a soft glam look with it and make it as shiny as possible. The next we have this one, which I think is a really beautiful palette for if you have brown eyes because of all the green shades. But you can again create a really soft everyday look with it. Like the colors aren't like super bright. The next I got this tweezer, which I believe is originally meant for like the chin hairs, but you can basically use it for all over your face. I always tweeze my brows before filming, so it's nice to have one just near me so I can use it whenever I need it, and this one worked really good. Then I have 2 brow pens which have a super precise tip. If you follow me, you know I love whenever I do my brows to have like super tiny hair strokes. It gives a very natural finish. I got 2 shades. One of them is more like a lighter brown and the other one is like a very dark brown. And like I said, I love like creating those tiny hair strokes because it gives a really natural full brow effect. Then I got these pencils, which are like nail art pencils with a super tiny point. I didn't got them for my nails actually. I thought this would be perfect for like a super precise eyeliner, but I will definitely use them for some nail art as well. I've never actually done that, but I really want to get better at it. And this is a face and body threading system. And actually this is so cool because I used to go to a beauty salon and get my hair on my brows done like this, but now I can just do it myself. It worked super easy and it also comes with some extra string for if you need a new replacement. But yeah, I can wait to use it more often. Then I got these stamps, which you can use for multiple things, but I wanted to do this like for an eye look to get more creative. I can just kind of like dip the stamp into eyeshadow or eyeliner and then dip it onto my eyelid and you will get these super cute stamps. I love it and I can't wait to create a look with this, especially for like the holidays or for like Halloween. You can get really creative with this. And look how cute that butterfly looks. So I only used some eyeshadow, but I think using eyeliner will make it even more pigmented. Then I have this cover stick for your hairline and oh my god, I actually never used this, but I do definitely need it after getting a son. I have a lot of bald spots and I love the applicator. It's kind of like a sponge. I can just kind of like dab it onto my hairline and it actually looks really soft. So I used just it on all the places where I need it, and then I will show you like one side of my hairline and the other side, and you can clearly see a difference. Definitely something I would use not when I have my hair down, but if I would like wear a ponytail or something, this is perfect. Do you see the difference? Isn't that amazing? Then we have these nail stickers, which I actually want to use for my eyes as well. How cool is this for like a special eye look? You can also like use it as your eyeliner to do something creative with it, or just use it for your nails where it's intended for, but I think it's really cool for the eyes. Then I have these tools, which I will also be using at the end of the video for the eye look that I created today. And I was amazed by how well it actually worked. So this is definitely a must-have. Then I got this bag with brushes. I mean, you can never have enough brushes. I used a few for my eye look as well, which worked really well. And then I also got these black brushes, which are super, super soft. Love it, especially the bigger ones for the whole face. I can definitely see myself use that for like my contour or my blush. The hair bristles is very soft. Then next I have this bed pillow, which I know is really random compared to the other items, but this is something I definitely need. We do have a bathtub at home, but it's really uncomfortable at the neck area. And I've been searching for like a pillow which is soft and we can actually attach to our bed. Because most of these suction systems didn't really work, but this one actually does, and I can't wait to take a bath. Because the problem was that always my neck would hurt afterwards. And talking about neck, I have this neck massage machine as well, which, oh my god, it's hands-free, which is so good. I used my partner to showcase it for you all, but how amazing it has 2 modes going in 2 directions. You can also make it go faster and slower. But yeah, it's something I would use every day. And then last but definitely not least, this makeup brush cleanser system, which basically works as kind of like a washing machine for your brushes, which is so nice. I am always really lazy when it comes to cleaning my brushes, so this is perfect. I just added water, my favorite cleanser. I added the brushes through the lid, and then you just turn it on and it will work as a washing machine. Super quick and easy. I absolutely love it. And I can do it just like right after filming, and then you can just leave it air dry. Now you can also clean the brushes yourself. It has a texture at the bottom which you can swirl your brushes in, but why would you if the machine does it? But maybe if your brushes are super dirty, you can give it a little bit help. Okay, so now I've showed you all the items. I hope this gave you some inspiration maybe for this gifting season. The holidays are coming up very soon, so if you need something last minute, hopefully this gave you some inspiration, or you can just buy it for yourself, of course. Like I said earlier, I do have a special discount code, and if it's your first order and it's qualified, you can get 3 to 8 items for free. So this code will basically give you free gifts. And I will also put a link in my description as well, but all the details are here in the screen. So now it's time for the eye look. I can't wait for it. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful smoky sparkly look, then
even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.